it's okay. I want to show you guys how I feel.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm here vlogging with my girlfriend. We're just going to McDonald's today because obviously for two reasons. Number one, we're extremely hungry, and number two, the Smarty McFlurries just came out.
Exactly. That's what we're doing today, and
You tricked me.
guys, I've tried to film this clip so many times and I just either cry or I get my words mixed up, so hopefully this is going to be the time where I get it right. But it is May 14th today as I'm filming this, and yesterday was May 13th, and we took my dog to go get some x-rays because he was crying. We just wanted to see what was going on. Basically, he got back and we got some news, and I've been crying for a while now because I'm sad, but I wanted to have this because my channel has always been just like a diary for me, and I wanted to vlog this. I wanted to do a lot of things today, and I just want to have this as memories. I'll get more into it because obviously I'm still super delicate about it. I can't even believe I've made it this long talking about it without bursting into tears, but that is that. I just wanted to address that. But other fun things are gonna happen, and I just want to bring you guys along. Stop number one is Canada Post. Hopefully they have P.O. boxes today. Last time they didn't have. We gotta put on our mask. I forgot my other one, so I'm gonna use this one for now. Nice to get a P.O. box, hopefully. Oh, it's so nice outside. It's beautiful and blue. But I am starving.
We are gonna go get some food soon.
She went to go check, you guys. We could have a P.O. box today. Guys,
After 3 times coming here, they told us that they don't have a P.O. box.
no P.O. box today, yet we will keep trying and hopefully find a P.O. box. Look how pretty the sky looks, so pretty.
Right?
But next on the list, we're going to Shoppers because I gotta pick up some stuff. So I'll show you what I buy.
So we're going to the Drug Mart.
Shoppers Drug Mart.
For those that don't know.
Oh, it says no cameras were recording in here. Sorry.
Bye guys.
Do it for the vlog. This is what they look like in Canada, guys. This is what Shoppers. Oh god, we're gonna get kicked out. Okay, quick Shoppers haul because we're back in the car and then we gotta go to McDonald's. 2 Mountain Dews,
Which are a must. Always cold.
shavers, random, but I needed these. Hair clips, mini ones. Law hair clips because these are very in right now and I want to start using them.
Everything you're grabbing, it's like I need it too.
And a hair clip also. That is what I picked up at Shoppers today. Now we're gonna go get McDonald's because I'm actually starving.
Like actually starving.
So we're gonna get McDonald's. I want a McFlurry and I want nuggets to feel better.
Chicken nuggets.
So yeah, let's go.
Barbecue sauce.
I'll show you when we get home.
Large, please.
Okay, anything else?
No, that'll be everything. Thank you.
Okay, first window please, gonna be 28.89. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
So I forgot to vlog while he was ordering, but
She was too focused on making sure that I ordered that Smarty McFlurry and that we got barbecue
And
sauce
barbecue
for the
sauce.
chicken nuggets.
I got a 10-piece chicken nugget combo with barbecue sauce and a large McFlurry. That's Smarty, and he got a McChicken combo
That's correct.
with a large Coke. We're back home with the puppy. This is my dog. His name is Chet, for you that don't know. This is him. Quick McDonald's haul. McChicken. This is for my boyfriend. We ate a whole pack of the fries already because we were hungry. Second fries and barbecue sauce for the nuggets. 10-piece nuggets. And more barbecue sauce. What are you looking at? He's just watching. He's watching the haul. Hello.
2 hours later.
Say hi to the camera, Che.
Say hi.
Activity for today.
We have paint. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our hands and make a thingy here. But first step is we need to tape this. That way it can cover it. Oh crap, we're gonna get dirty. It has to be like in the middle so your hand doesn't cover it. Because then we take it off and then we write our date.
Oh,
So
wait, so you're gonna have a line
Uh-huh.
for the date going over?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is this in the middle? No, the other way your hand is gonna be.
No. I'm just trying to see the middle.
Okay, we switched angles for the last time because it was too sunny.
Way too sunny. So when we place our hands down, the date is gonna be right on the palm.
Yeah, so like that. So first things first, blue paint.
Oh God,
Well, this one we can put it. Do you want to put it right on your hand? Wait,
Yeah.
which hand do you want to do, right or left?
the right. Or which one are you doing? I feel like the right is gonna be a lot easier.
And the left?
That's
Or
your
the
right.
left? I know.
Which one you want?
Say which one? Okay, we'll do right. Will you do right? Good? Okay.
Featuring Che.
Oh gosh, okay, we have to make sure it's good. No, Jay.
You can't look at it. You can see it, but you can't look at it.
Oh, look. Okay, put your fingers tight. Yeah, that way I can just spread it on.
Okay, here goes nothing, guys.
Wait. Oh my god, I feel like we have paint. Is that enough?
That's a lot.
But like finger-wise and everything.
Yeah, but that's a lot of paint.
Okay. Do one and then I'll paint you up with more paint.
Okay. I need to make sure that this is done correctly. Here goes nothing.
Don't move your fingers too much. Hold on, we'll do it like this.
Don't move it. One, two.
We try to go straight up.
There we go.
This is the first one. Okay, Pasho. Okay. Here.
I feel like this one's actually gonna be better.
Alright. That's what they look like so far.
I need to go wash my hands. That's
Yeah,
what my
we
hand
know.
looks like so far.
No. I'm gonna go stop. Go wash your hands. And then we come back and we do the pink. We gotta clean this too, so we'll be right back. Hold on.
Show me your toy. Your new toy.
That's his old new toy.
Oh, that's your old new toy. Che.
Good boy. That's
What
his
is this? Oh, this is your tequila bottle.
But that's his outside toy now, because it's so messy.
Here, take the tequila bottle.
Should I grab it?
Show me.
What you think?
Oh, you see that? Catching it like a pro.
That's a tongue full of mud.
That's your tongue. That's your tongue.
Good boy. Alright, so this is my dog. Fuck, I'm already crying.
Che, you got this. He's okay. He's okay. Look at him. He's all happy. Tell your story. It's okay. You got this. No more crying.
No more crying.
He's not supposed to see you cry.
So basically, yesterday, like we mentioned, we took him to the vet because he needed x-rays, and at first we thought his arthritis was on one of his paws, like this one over here, because border collies get arthritis and like they're known for that. So, and he's 11, so he's pretty old. But the vet took him for 6 hours. He was there, and they did full body x-rays because they saw something was wrong with him. And turns out his whole body basically has arthritis, and it's really bad on his like hips and on his legs. So he's on medication. So that's why I'm sad. Right now he seems fine. He's really happy. He gets happy when we're all here. But that just means like he's getting old, and that time is coming, and we have to be prepared.
He's not coming anytime soon, so don't worry. He's not supposed to see you cry.
I want to start posting more with my dog, so I will be vlogging more. I hope you guys are okay with that. I'm just going to include him in a lot more videos, like hauls and stuff. I bought him a bunch of stuff, so I'm going to do a haul with him so we can unbox it together.
But as of right now, he's okay. As of right now, he's okay. He's not to see you cry. He can sense it.
wanted to leave it last because obviously I'm crying and I'm a mess, and like I literally cry really fast about this because I love my dog to pieces and I don't want to see him go, but that's what happened.
See,
He's crying.
he cries because you cry.
But on other news, I don't want to make this sad. I want to end everything on a happy note. We did a new intro, so I want to show you guys our new intro. So I'm gonna input it right now and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like the new intro. I don't know about the song. We haven't decided on the song, but I think this one is a good contender. But yeah, I'm gonna...
I keep on telling her that chicken wing, chicken macaroni. How does it go? Chilling with my homies. Wait,
chicken and macaroni. No, chicken wing, chilling with my homies. Chicken and macaroni. No, chicken and macaroni, chilling. I don't know. But that is it. So I chose that song, but if you guys know any copyright free music that'll work with our new intro, let me know. But let me know what you think. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling and you'll see it in
1, 2, 3. You gotta tell us what you think.
What did you guys think? There, you saw it. What do you think of my new intro? Do you like it? I'm getting rid of the Yo soy dueña de mi vida, mi nadie me manda. Although I kind of want to keep that song, but we'll see. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna wait a little bit for the paint, but yeah, I just wanted to talk about that, and I wanted to have him in my video, and I want to have him more in my videos because life is short. He's the best puppy ever, so I want to start having him more in my videos, and even if he's just like in the background like this, chilling, I hope you guys are okay with that. But
will.
Yeah, so I actually like this place. I might start vlogging more here, but
yeah, it's super chill.
Yeah,
I really
like it. So yeah. What did you drop it? You look, is it dry?
No. Lick it. I dare you. Lick it. Lick it. Lick. Shut up. We're filming here.
Literally what I was thinking. But okay, that's everything. I feel better. I love my dog. This is my dog.
That's your dog?
This is my dog.
This is my dog?
This is my baby dog.
By the time that we do finish this one, that one's gonna be done.
Oh no, now lining it up with yours is gonna be the tricky part.
You got this.
I have to kind of line it up with yours. Oh shit.
Right there. Let it drop. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Okay.
You can take it off now. Go. Hey.
Oh, that's cute! I love that. That's cute.
Hey. Just a matter of doing just a little bit. Because you see you put way too much on my last one.
Mm-hmm.
Just a bit. One, two, go!
How do I do this? It's right here?
Yeah, you got this.
I don't know about that one. It's still wet.
It's okay, you got this.
Okay, you think that's good?
And 3, 2, 1, remove. Oh, wow.
Yay! They look so good.
I told you.
Love it. And then we peel off the tape, and it should be a clear like line, and then we write 12, 13, 14, which you're gonna do that because you have better handwriting than I do.
True.
That's so cute. I love that. All right, time for the reveal. Next. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.
And
Bye.
click on that bell right there, right about here. You see that bell right there? Click on it. So magic will happen every single time she drops a video. But it has to be right around Wait.
What's it? What is on the other side?
Hold on.
No, I think it's on the other side.
No, it's on this side.
I don't know. We'll see when we post. Was he right? Did he get the sides right? Let's see.
It should be right about here.
But yeah,
And it has to say it
subscribe,
all.
like, hit the bell.
Then you guys are gonna be able to see magic.
Bye.